Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change chat settings in Roblox in just a few simple steps. First of all, open the Roblox app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, look at the bottom and tap the three dots on the right hand side to open the menu. Next, scroll down until you see the option called Settings and tap on it. In the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Content Restriction. This is where you can control who can contact you, chat with you, and interact with you inside games. Now, tap on Communication. This section allows you to manage how you chat and who can chat with you both in experiences and through direct message. Inside the Experience Chat option, you will see a setting that lets you choose who can experience and direct chat with you. You can set it to everyone if you want to allow all users to chat with you, or choose no one if you prefer to keep your chats completely private. Select the option that best fits your comfort level. After you make your selection, the setting will be saved automatically. These settings are very useful if you want more control over your privacy and who can interact with you while playing Roblox games. And that's it, now you know how to change chat settings in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips, and make sure to tap the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.